Hi everyone, this is Mike from CubeCoders, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Minecraft Java Edition server in AMP. If you've not already installed AMP, check out the installation guide for your platform, links in the video description. So the first thing we need to do is create our AMP instance for Minecraft. To do that, we hit the Create Instance button and then select Minecraft Java Edition from the drop-down list of games. You can enter a friendly name if you like to differentiate different Minecraft servers on the same system. Once we hit Create, it will take just a moment for AMP to set up the new instance. Once that's done, we can start the instance and then either click the Manage button or double-click the instances box. Now, if you just want a plain Minecraft server using the official software, you can go ahead and hit Update. But for this example, I'm going to select Paper so that I can use plugins if I want to. The search box is a great way to find your way around AMP. It can search within all available settings and all of the available documentation, so if you're looking for anything, this is the place to start. After you've picked the type of server you want, it's just a matter of hitting Update. Then AMP will download and install it for you. Once that's finished, we're ready to start the server. All we need to do is head over to the status page and click Start. Before the server will actually start, you'll need to accept the license agreement for Minecraft. Please take a moment to review this before accepting it. The first time the Minecraft server starts, it will take a few minutes while it generates the world. This only happens the first time, subsequent starts will be much faster. AMP has already created the appropriate firewall rules for us, so now we can connect to the game server's IP or domain directly.